How to change the lock screen clock on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the lock screen clock on your Android device in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your phone and go to the settings. And once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and look for the option labeled lock screen. And once you have found that, simply tap on it. And here you can see the option labeled lock screen clock format. So simply tap on that. Now here you will see different clock styles to choose from. So simply select the one that you like. And once you have selected it, it will be automatically applied. And that's it. That's how you can change lock screen clock on your Android device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.